simplify m minus 1 raised to the power half plus m minus 1 raised to the power negative half over m minus 1 raised to the power half. So m minus 1 raised to the power half, then plus. Now if you have x raised to the power negative 2, this is equals to 1 over x squared. If you have x raised to the power negative 1 over 2, this is equals to 1 over x raised to the power 1 over 2. So we're going to write this m minus 1 raised to the power negative half to be in this form. So this is going to be equals to 1 over m minus 1 raised to the power half. So this m minus 1 is equivalent to x. So we have this half here. Then this is over m minus 1 raised to the power half. So this is over 1. So let's simplify the numerator. We have m minus 1 raised to the power half over 1 plus 1 over m minus 1 raised to the power half. Now the LCM of 1 and m minus 1 raised to the power half is m minus 1 raised to the power half. Now m minus 1 raised to the power half divided by 1 is m minus 1 raised to the power half. Now m minus 1 raised to the power half times m minus 1 raised to the power half is equal to m minus 1. Now this is because we have m minus 1 raised to the power half multiplied by m minus 1 raised to the power half. Remember indices, if the bases are same, you pick one of them and then add the exponents. Now half plus half is 1. Alright, so that's why I have m minus 1 here. So we have them plus m minus 1 raised to the power half divided by m minus 1 raised to the power half is 1. 1 times 1 is 1. So this now equal to, we have m minus 1 plus 1 then over m minus 1 raised to the power half. And then this is equal to minus 1 plus 1 is 0. So you have m over m minus 1 raised to the power half. Now this is just for the numerator. So we have m over m minus 1 raised to the power half, then all over the denominator, which is m minus 1 raised to the power half. Remember, we only simplified the numerator, which we got this. So we now replace this whole numerator with the answer we got, then over the denominator of the whole expression. So we have m over m minus 1 raised to the power half divided by m minus 1 raised to the power half. So this whole thing can be written as m over m minus 1 raised to the power half, then divided by m minus 1 raised to the power half. So this can be written as m over m minus 1 raised to the power half. Then this division can be changed to multiplication. Then we are going to reverse this one, so it will be 1 over m minus 1 raised to the power half. So m times 1 is equal to m, then over, so m minus 1 raised to the power half times m minus 1 raised to the power half is just the same thing I explained earlier. We have m minus 1 raised to the power half multiplied by m minus 1 raised to the power half. So since these bases are the same, they are common, we pick one of them, m minus 1, and then add the exponents, which is half plus half. So this becomes m over m minus 1. Half plus half is 1. So m minus 1 raised to the power 1 is just m minus 1. So this m over m minus 1 is the final answer to this whole question. If 2x is equals to a raised to the power n plus a raised to the power negative n, and 2y is equals to a raised to the power n minus a raised to the power negative n, calculate the value of x squared minus y squared in its simplest form. If you enjoyed this lesson, like this video, share with your friends, subscribe to my YouTube channel, and turn on the post notification bell so that each time I post a new video, you'll be the first to watch it. So we're given 2x is equal to a raised to the power n plus a raised to the power negative n. So let's divide both sides by 2. And then this and this will cancel. You have that x is equal to a raised to the power n plus a raised to the power negative n over 2. So let's also do the same to y. We are given 2y is equal to a raised to the power n minus a raised to the power negative n. Let's divide both sides by 2. So we have that our y is equal to a raised to the power n minus a raised to the power negative n over 2. So x squared is now equal to, we're going to square the x, so x squared is equal to a raised to the power n plus a raised to the power negative n over 2 all squared, and then y squared is equal to a raised power n minus a raised power negative n over 2, then all squared. So for this, we are going to get now a raised power n plus a raised power negative n over 2 all squared. Now if you have s over y squared, we can write it as s squared over y squared. So this is what we are going to write here. So we have a raised power n plus a raised power negative n all squared, then over 2 squared is equals to 4. So this one is also a raised power n minus a raised power negative n all squared, then over 2 squared is equal to 4. So s squared minus y squared now becomes an plus a raised power negative n all squared over 4, then minus a raised power n minus a raised power negative n all squared over 4. So let's simplify these numerators. For this, for s squared, we're going to have a raised power n plus a raised power negative n, then square. And this thing is equal to, if you have x minus y square, the easiest way to expand this is take this x and square it. So you have s square. Then use these two and multiply both x and y, including their signs. So we have plus 2 into x, then multiply by, here we have negative y. Then the next one is to square this y. We are going to include the sign. So here we have then plus negative y, then square. Alright, so that in the end we have s square, then 2 times x times y is negative 2xy, and then plus negative y square is then plus y square. Alright, so this is what we are going to apply here. So here we wrote x square. So this place we are going to write a raised power n all squared, just the way we squared this x, then plus we are going to multiply 2 by a raised power n, and then plus a minus n. So this is just 2 into a raised to the power n, then into a raised power negative n, just the same way I did here. And then we are going to raise this a raised power negative n to the power of 2. So it's going to be plus a raised power negative n, then squared. So this is now going to be equal to a. Now 2 times n is 2 raised power n, then plus 2 times a n times a raised power negative n. This is 2. So this is a and a. So we pick one of them and then add the exponents. N minus n is equal to 0, plus a raised power 2 times negative n is negative 2n. So we have that this is equal to a raised power 2n plus, now 2 a raised power 0 is 1. Anything raised power 0 is 1. So 2 times 1 is 2. Then plus a raised power negative 2n. So this is what we have for the value of x squared. So we're done with this. Let's now do this one. So, oh no, this is square here. So we have a raised power n minus a raised power negative n all squared. So this is going to be equal to a raised power n squared, then plus 2 into a raised power n, then into negative a raised power negative n. I'm just applying everything I did here to this one, so nothing changed. Then I have plus negative a raised power negative n all squared. So to simplify it, we have a 2 times n is 2n, then 2 times a raised power n minus a raised power negative n is negative 2 into a. Then this and this are the same, so we write one of them and then add the exponent. N minus n is 0. So this is negative a raised by negative n all squared. So this negative sign is going to turn to positive because this thing means negative squared multiplied by a raised by negative n squared. Alright, so negative 1 squared is 1, so which is going to give us positive. Then a raised by negative n is a raised by negative n times 2 is negative 2n, so it's going to be plus a raised by negative 2n. So this is what we got for the y part. Let's now substitute this and this for x squared and y squared respectively. So this we are going to have, So this is x square minus y square is now going to be, we have a raised power 2n plus 2 plus a raised power negative 2n then over 4 then minus a raised power 2n then minus, this is 2 times a raised power 0. A raised power 0 is 1, so we left with only 2 then plus a raised power negative 2n then over 4. So this is x square minus y square then equal to, and the sum of this 4 and 4 is equal to 4. So we now have 4 divided by 4 is 1. 1 times this is a raised power 2n plus 2 plus a raised power negative 2n then minus, we're going to open brackets, 4 divided by 4 is 1. 1 times this is a raised power 2n minus 2 plus a raised power negative 2n. So we have that x square minus y square is equal to, we have a square n then plus 2 plus a raised power negative 2n then minus a raised power 2n, then minus times minus is plus 2, then minus times plus is minus a raised power negative 2n then over 4. So we have that x square minus y square is equal to, now a raised power 2n minus a raised power 2n is 0, a raised power minus 2n minus a raised power minus 2n is 0, we'll be left with only 2 plus 2. So 2 plus 2 is equal to 4 then over this 4 here. So 4 over 4 is equals to 1. So we have that x square minus y square is equals to 1. And then this is our final answer. If you enjoy my lesson, please like this video, share with your friends, and subscribe.